So this is my Nespresso Magimix machine that has a common fault, which is sort of a dual water sort of leakage thing going on. So it comes out the spout here, but it also leaks underneath here as well, which is a common problem with these machines. The thing is that I didn't find any single YouTube video that shows you how to solve this, just videos telling you they've got the fault. You'll be able to find a dismantling video on YouTube pretty easily. Sorry I didn't put that one up. And it's all to do, hopefully, with this part here, which is the brewing unit that holds the capsule, the coffee capsule. As far as I can tell, it has one O-ring seal to stop the water from leaking out the bottom.
So as you can see, this is the brewer unit for the Nespresso machine, and on the bottom of the unit you can see, if you kind of hold it halfway, there's a little bit at the front here that unclips. You can see the clip there, so just unclip that one and then take that out at the bottom. So once you've managed to unclip that and take out that bit there, that's what you're going to be left with out of the brew unit. And as you can see, there's an O-ring there. If I take that out way too easily, it's quite loose, it fits quite loose in there. So what I've done is I've bought an O-ring that is thicker and smaller, so it's going to provide a tighter fit in there. So I'm just going to put that in there. Quick tip, if you are using a slightly larger O-ring, and I've just put a bit of washing up liquid around there, so the brewer unit housing can just slip onto that a lot easier. So we're going to put that back into the brewer unit the right way around, and that should hopefully create a better seal. So I won't lie, that was quite a tight sort of fit to sort of push that into there, but obviously the tighter the fit, the better the seal. So we're going to put this back into the main unit now and see if it fixes it.
Okay, the screws are back to hold the brewing unit onto the main base. Just a quick tip, I used an Allen key because there's a star-shaped screw, which is a bit of a pain, but a small Allen key should do it. Again, housing unit down, these clip into here, like that. That one clips into there, like that. So, as you can see, I had water coming out all over the place in two places, inside, underneath here. You have to take my word for that. Apologies for not posting something that showed me with the actual problem, but there's plenty of YouTube videos out there to show you the problem but not the solution. And that seems to have solved it. So just poured myself a cup of coffee, no leaks. It's a tricky job, this one. I won't lie, just sort of taking it apart, and also the plastic on the Nespresso machines, the fact that it's just all plastic, the chance of something snapping, I guess, is quite sort of high. So maybe you don't want to tackle this yourself, but finally, I guess someone's put a solution out there instead of just showing that their coffee machine just doesn't work. So, like I said, this is the solution to the problem of water leaking underneath here, as well as obviously out the spout. So, hope that helps, and yeah, happy days.